Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Chat Channel.
Hi, everyone. Nice to be here.
I am Emma, your English teacher.
And I am Leo. I learn English with you.
This podcast is for beginners. Slow English, easy English.
Listen, repeat, practice.
Today is episode 5.
Today we learn about time, daily routine, places, directions, and plans.
Great. Let's start. First, time.
Time tells us when.
Listen and repeat. Morning,
Morning,
afternoon,
afternoon,
evening,
evening,
night.
night.
Again, slow. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Emma, good morning.
Good morning, Leo.
Good evening
Good evening. Now, daily routine.
means things we do every day.
Yes. Listen. Wake up.
Wake up,
Wash.
wash,
Eat.
eat,
Work.
work,
Sleep.
sleep.
Again. Wake up. Wash. Eat. Work. Sleep.
Emma, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up. I wash. I eat breakfast. Then I go to work.
Nice.
Now you, Leo.
I wake up, I eat, I go to work.
Now, places.
Places means where we go.
Yes. Listen and repeat. Home,
Home,
work,
work,
school,
school,
shop,
shop,
park.
park.
Again. Home, work, school, shop, park.
Emma, where do you go?
I go to work.
Work.
Then I go home.
Home,
Sometimes I go to the park.
park.
Now you.
I go to school, then I go home.
Now, directions.
It means how we move.
Yes. Listen. Left,
Left,
right,
right,
straight,
straight,
stop.
stop.
Again. Left, right, straight, stop.
Emma, how do I go to the shop?
Go straight, turn left, stop.
Go straight, turn left, stop.
Yes. Now, plans.
Means what we will do.
Yes. Listen and repeat. Today,
Today,
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
later.
later.
Again. Today, tomorrow, later.
Emma, what will you do today?
Today I work. Later I eat. Tomorrow I go to the park. Now you, Leo.
Today I study. Tomorrow I work.
Now, a small story.
I am listening.
In the morning, I wake up. I wash. I eat breakfast. I go to work. In the evening, I go home. Later, I sleep.
Easy story.
Now you, Leo.
In the morning, I wake up. I eat. I go to school. Later, I go home. At night, I sleep.
Very good, Leo. Now, review.
We learned time.
Morning, evening, night.
We learned routine.
Wake up, eat, sleep.
We learned places.
Home, work, shop.
We learned directions.
Left, right, straight.
We learned plans.
Today, tomorrow.
Great job, listener.
You are learning English.
Little by little.
Practice every day.
See you in episode 6.
Bye-bye, friends.
Goodbye.